Fidgets to the rescue. Welcome to the Fidget Rescue Team. Help keep Fidgets safe during a natural disaster. Natural disasters, like hurricanes or earthquakes, that can leave Fidgets trapped where they live without enough food, water, shelter, or medicine. Your mission.
Next.
Choose your mission. Before your first mission, let's see how to play. The Fidgets' water system has been damaged by an earthquake. They need you to deliver them clean water. Tap and drag this button to move where you want to build. Your shape can only have 8 points. You need to close your shape to use it. Your shape can only have 8 points. You need to close your shape. Your shape can only have 8 points. Are you sure you want to go to the menu? Choose your mission. Before your next mission, let's review. Choose your mission.
And that's it.
Before your